Hello everyone, I'm Yolanda and I am trying my new juicer. I think it's called the Crux or Cruise, I'm not sure. And so let's just get right to it. Okay, it has a very short cord, so I had to find an extension cord. This machine is very loud, so that's why I had to kind of put some music in its place. So yeah. Okay, this is a lot of juice for a cucumber and a couple of celery stalks. I like it. Yeah, that's a lot of juice, so I'm getting excited about that. I don't have to use too many vegetables for this. And there you have it, juice. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.